6 by 8 plus 7 by 9. Now here this factor is reducible. They both are multiple of 2. So you will get, by dividing 2 by 2, you will get 3 by 4. So now we have to deal with 3 by 4 plus 7 by 9. Here we have to make both these denominators common. To make that, I will find LCM, and when two numbers are not having any common multiple, we just multiply them together. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. Now we have to multiply this by 9 and this by 4 to make denominators 36 on both the sides. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 9 by 9, you will get 27 by 36, and the second factor is 7 by 9 multiplied by 4 by 4. Here you will get 28 by 36. Now you can, both these factors can be added together directly because now they are having same denominator. So 27 plus 28 by 36. So you will get the answer as 55 by 36. Now here two fractions are there, 4 by 5 and 15 by 36. Now this fraction is reducible and they both are multiples of 3. So after reducing this, dividing this by 3, we will get 5 and 12. So now the new factors will be 4 by 5 and 5 by 12. Now you have to find the LCM for these two denominators. The LCM will be just multiplying these two numbers because you don't have any other factor common between them. So 12 multiplied by 5 will be 60. Now here you have to multiply by 12 and here you have to multiply by 5 to make this denominator 60. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 12 by 12. Here you will get the answer 48 and 60. Now the second factor is 5 by 12 multiplied by 5 by 5. You will get the answer as 25 by 60. Now you have to add these two factors. Here both the denominators are common, so we can directly add them. 48 plus 25 by 60. Now here the answer comes out to be 73 by 60. Now here two fractions are there, 9 by 8 plus 3 by 10. Now both these fractions are such that you cannot reduce it further. So we will directly take these two denominators and find LCM for them. So LCM for these two numbers will be 8 and 10. So we will first take the prime number 2 and we will try to divide it. So we will get here as 4 and 5. Then again we will use 2 and see if it is divisible. So here you can get 2 and 5. This is not divisible, so we will write it as it is. Again 2 can be used. So 2, 1 and 5. Now 2 cannot be used. No number can be divided by 2 here now. So we will see if 3 can be used. 3 also cannot be used. So next prime number is 5. We will take 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 1. So here now we have got both the numbers as 1. So now we will multiply all these numbers together and we will find LCM. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So here the LCM will be 40. So we have to convert both these denominators into 40. Here we will multiply by 5 and here we will multiply by 4. So first fraction we multiply by 5. 9 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 5. You will get the answer as 45 and 40. The next fraction is 3 by 10 multiplied by 4 by 4. Here you will get 12 by 40. Now you can directly add these two fractions because they have same denominator. So 45 plus 12 by 40 is equal to 7 and 5, 57 by 40. This is the answer. Now here in this sum we have to solve 11 by 25 plus 3 by 10. Now here both the fractions are such that they cannot be reduced further. So we will add them as it is. Now we have to make these two denominators equal. So we will first find LCM. Here the common factor between the two is 5. So we can do LCM by this method. 25 and 10. First we will divide it by 2. So you will get 25 by 5. Then with 3 we cannot divide, with 5 we can divide. So you will get 5 and 1. Now again with 5 we can divide and you will get answer as 1 and 1. Now we have to multiply these three numbers to find LCM. So 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, it will be 2 5s are 10, 5s are 50. So here LCM will be 50. Now we have to make these two denominators 50. So to the first fraction we have to multiply by 2 and to the second fraction we have to multiply by 5. So the new fractions that we will be getting is 25 multiplied by 2 by 2 is equal to 22 by 50, and the another fraction will be 3 by 10 multiplied by 5 by 5. We will get here 15 by 50. Now these two fractions we will add. They both are having same denominator, so they can be added directly. So 22 plus 15 by 50, you will get the answer as 37 by 50. Now here we have to solve the addition of two fractions, 5 by 24 and 6 by 10. Now this fraction can be reduced to a lesser fraction. So this can be cancelled. They both are multiples of 2. Here it comes 3 and here it comes 5. So instead of this we can use the fraction 3 by 5. So we will add two fractions here now, 5 by 24 plus 3 by 5. Now we have to make both these denominators equal. Here both these numbers are not having any common multiple. So we will directly multiply with them to find LCM. 24 multiplied by 5 and it is 120. Now we have to convert both these denominators into 120. So here we will multiply it by 5 and here we will multiply by 24. So this will make both these denominators as 120. So when we are multiplying it, so we have to multiply it both in the numerator and both the denominator as well. So 5 by 24 multiplied by 5 by 5. So it will give us 25 by 120 of course, and the another fraction is 3 by 5. Here we have to multiply by 24 by 24. So here we will get is 72 by 120, and here now we will add these two fractions together, 25 by 120 plus 72 by 120. It will give us the answer 97 by 120. Here two fractions are there, 9 by 14 and 4 by 12. So whenever we have to add two fractions, we have to make sure that both the denominators are same. Now here if we can reduce any of the fraction, we will reduce it. Like 9 by 14 will remain like that only, and this part is divisible. We can divide this fraction and we can reduce it to, this will be 1 and this will be 3. So this is the reduced form of this fraction. Now here we have to find the LCM of both these denominators, as we have to make them equal. So LCM of 14 and 3 is 42. There is no common multiple between these two, so we will simply multiply them. So now we have to convert both these denominators into 42. So if we multiply this by 3, we will get 27 by 42, and if we multiply this by 14, we will get 14 divided by 42. Now we will add both of them. So after adding 27 by 42 and 14 by 42, we will get 27 by 14 by 42. Now the denominator is common, so the total answer will be 41 by 42.